Hazrat Sabit Bunani states that Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu was saying to some woman of his family, "Do you know so and so woman?" She replied, "Yes." He then said, "The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed by her when she was weeping, sitting beside a grave. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, 'Fear Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and keep patient.' She said, 'Go away. You don't know about my grief.' He, Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam proceeded, and later another man passed by her and said, 'What did you say to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam?' She replied that she did not recognize the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The transmitter says, then that woman reached his doorstep, and finding no doorkeeper, she submitted, 'O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I did not recognize you.' The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'Patience is when the calamity strikes first.' Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7154.